Exploring the future of dev work, what to expect in 2026. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Future of dev work 2026, what programmers need to know. 2. The future of programming in 2026, key trends and skills. 3. 2026, a look ahead at the evolution of software development. C. Thumbnail concept. The thumbnail should feature a sleek, futuristic design with a dark background. The text "Future of Dev Work 2026" should be written in bold, white letters centered at the top of the image. A holographic representation of code or a robot holding a smartphone could serve as the central image, symbolizing the intersection of technology and programming. The expression on the robot's face should be one of curiosity and excitement, to grab the viewer's attention. Hook script, first 30 seconds, critical. On-screen text, "The future awaits," fades in quickly. Narrator, excited tone, "Welcome back to another exciting episode." Are you ready to dive into the future of programming and see what lies ahead for developers in 2026? The landscape of software development is ever evolving, and we're here to help you stay on top of it all. So buckle up, because this ride is about to get interesting. Full video script. Intro, midnight to 1 o'clock. Narrator, first, let me welcome you to our channel, home to developers just like you, eager to learn and grow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. B-roll suggestion, montage of programming scenes, with a futuristic twist. 2026 outlook, 1 to 3 o'clock. Narrator, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what the future holds for developers in 2026. With advancements in AI, machine learning, and cloud computing, there are several key trends and skills that will be crucial for success. B-roll suggestion, quick shots of AI models, machines learning algorithms, and cloud infrastructure. AI and machine learning, 3 to 5 o'clock. Narrator, one area that's bound to see significant growth is AI and machine learning. As these technologies become more integrated into our daily lives, developers with strong expertise in this field will be highly sought after. Expect to see an increased demand for professionals who can design, develop, and maintain complex AI systems. B-roll suggestion, showcase of various AI applications and machine learning algorithms. Cloud computing, 5 to 7 o'clock. Narrator, another trend that's gaining momentum is cloud computing. As businesses move toward a more digital, data-driven approach, the demand for developers with cloud expertise will only increase. Mastering platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform will be essential for staying competitive in the job market. B-roll suggestion, visual demonstrations of various cloud computing services and their applications. Cybersecurity, 7 to 9 o'clock. Narrator, with the increased reliance on digital systems, cybersecurity will also become a top priority. Developers with strong skills in this area will be in high demand to help protect against data breaches and other security threats. Becoming proficient in secure coding practices, encryption techniques, and network security measures will set you apart from your peers. B-roll suggestion, quick shots of various cybersecurity tools and best practices. Other key skills, 9 to 11 o'clock. Narrator, in addition to the trends mentioned, there are several other skills that will be valuable for developers in 2026. These include proficiency in full-stack development, understanding of containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes, and strong knowledge of front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js. B-roll suggestion, demonstrations of various web development tools and techniques. Conclusion, 11 to 12 o'clock. Narrator, so there you have it, a glimpse into the future of programming in 2026. To stay ahead of the curve, focus on mastering AI and machine learning, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Don't forget to hone your skills in full-stack development, containerization, and front-end frameworks as well. B-roll suggestion, recap of key points with visuals. Narrator, as always, if you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember, the future is what we make it, so let's go out there and create something amazing. Outro, 12 to 1300 hours. Narrator, if you're looking to further your skills in programming, be sure to check out our list of recommended resources in the description below. And don't forget to use our affiliate links for some great deals on learning materials affiliate, online courses, books, and tools. Video description. Title, Future of Dev Work 2026, What Programmers Need to Know. Description. The photo.